again to another class of English language for class 3. Today we are going to continue with the chapter 16 and we will be learning how to do question number 3, that is rewriting or making sentences with the help of the words given in the bracket. Yesterday I taught you a question, how to rewrite your sentences beginning with I don't know. So I don't know was used for all the sentences and they were not given in brackets. But today we will learn how to begin our sentences using the words that are in the bracket. So first of all, let us understand one thing. When we need to write these answers, we need to pay attention on the words like do and does. So when the question has the word does, while writing the answer, we must remember one thing, and the rule is that we must remember to write the verb plus s. For example, if your question has the word see, so what do? While writing the answer, we remove does, and instead of does, what do? We add s to the verb to make it sees. The very same way, if your question has the word do, so while writing the answer, what do? We do not change the verb. If your question has see as the verb, no changes are brought to the verb while writing the answer. So see will remain see. But if your question has does, what we do? While writing the answer, we remove does and add s to the verb while writing the answer. So now let us have a look at these two examples that I have given you on the blackboard. The first one, where does he live? Question mark. And in the bracket, what do we have? We have asked him. So we do not know where he lives. So I am telling you to find out, to ask him where the person lives. So what do? We begin our answer with the words that are in the bracket. So the words that are in the bracket, what do? We begin our answer with this, and then we write the question word. Yesterday I explained that the question word is the interrogative word through which the question begins. So we add where. Ask him where. After where we are supposed to write the noun or the pronoun. So we will add he. Since there is no noun but there is a pronoun, so we add he. Now we need to write the helping verb. But since there is no helping verb, there is only the main verb. And the main verb is live. But my question has does in it. So when my question has does in it, what do? While writing the answer, I do not use does. Instead, I add s. And this becomes, the verb becomes live. Instead of live, it becomes lives. What does it become? Lives. The same way, we have a next example. Where do they play? Now, if you have a look, we have do over here. So, as I had explained in the beginning, if your question has does, while writing the answer, we do not use does, but instead of that, we add s. We add s to the verb. Now, if your question has do, what do? Let me explain. First of all, we will begin with the words that is in the bracket. Find out. So we will begin our sentence using find out. Next we will write the question word. out where. Again in your sentence, in your question, there is no noun, but there is a pronoun. So we add the pronoun over here, where, they. Now we need to write the helping verb or the main verb. So we have play as the main verb. But since my sentence, my question has do, no change will come across the verb. That means I do not add s to it, or I do not change it into the past tense form. But I let it remain in the V1 form. That means as it was, it shall remain. There is no change in the verb. So I hope, children, you have understood how to rewrite your sentences with the help of the words given in the bracket using does and do. Thank you.